Or put something under it. I'm a single mom, guys. Just like every other teenager in this town.
Oh my god, the video's on.
Oh.
Now it's Galaxy.
We got put this one in. Are you taking this one?
So, this one's Galaxy now.
Do we even have a container? We should. Yeah. Let's throw this one out. It doesn't have a cover though. I seal it.
Can I see that? It happened to me. This will happen.
Your kids are killing each other, and Memo just like dissed Leo in the hardest way ever.
Why is that?
He was like, "I'm not your best friend," and that was horrible.
Where's Memo?
Oh yeah.
Okay, well, you keep petting the dog for literally no reason.
Because what?
For no reason. Like, the dog was just sitting there and minding his own business, and you just like hit the dog out of nowhere. He was like right here, and he hit him in the face, and he was like, he's gonna bite the phone. I was like, that doesn't make sense. Baby doesn't care for phones.
This one.
I forgot I was talking to Fatima.
Why do you say her name like
I
that?
don't know how to pronounce her name.
Fatima.
Fatima.
You don't pronounce the T really like. Not that.
It's already a minute long. I'm gonna put it. The title is "The Entertaining Sounds of Slime."
On the bottom.
I like this one. Oh my god.
Yeah.